All right, let's have a little sidebar about the connection between degrees and radians. Okay, so we've lived in this system of 360 degrees as a circle for your entire math career, right? And then now along comes this different system for measuring angles, a system that's probably a little bit more intuitive than just 360 degrees, right? And we'll have that conversation. But so in order to draw this connection between degrees and radians, which is two different units, right, that calculate the same measurements, let's say. Let's talk about circumference, right? You should remember that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, okay? And you know that in a circle there are 360 degrees. Those are two things that you should absolutely know, okay? Now, think of the circumference as an arc length, okay? So if we do that, if you started here, let's say, with this blue sort of dumbbell looking thing, and we swing that all the way around. So this angle that I'm creating, right, goes all the way around the circle. That'd be a 360 degree angle, right? And that 360 degree angle would intercept an arc of 2 pi r. So the entire circumference of the circle is an arc length, technically speaking. Okay, so a 360 degree angle would intercept an arc length of 2 pi r. Now, we have a formula that we just looked at for finding the arc length of a circle, okay, or arc length of an angle. If I have this formula and I have an angle that intercepts an arc of 2 pi r, the entire circumference, and I set that equal to theta r, if we simplify this a little bit, we get theta equals 2 pi. So what does that mean? That means this is the angle that intercepted that arc. So the angle of 360 degrees is equivalent to 2 pi radians, right? And that's the conclusion that we want to draw. 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. This is a conversion fact, okay? And we can even make that a little bit simpler if we divide both sides by 2, right? We get 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. So anytime we want to talk about converting, and that's what we're going to be talking about next, anytime we want to convert from one unit to another, right? Think about, like, if I had a distance and I wanted to find that distance in feet or miles, I would need to know the conversion factor between feet and miles, right? 5280 feet is equal to 1 mile, so on and so forth. This is our conversion rate for converting between degrees and radians. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees, right? It's just like 12 inches is equal to 1 foot, okay? 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 180 degrees is equal to pi radians, and that's going to create our conversion ratio or our conversion fraction for switching between these two units. We'll see that in the next video, okay?